working on the TikTok. Taking y'all behind the scenes, y'all got behind the scenes access to what we doing, man. I got the power print all myself. You know, just trying to support, do what we do. What you doing?
We about to do this little tutorial with Kimmi here.
Okay. And I'm gonna look like that.
Slay.
Like that.
We're gonna be using the paw print eyeshadow palette or whatever. And then some of the rest of our products that we have launching and that we already have, of course.
I'm impressed.
How you feel about today?
A little nervous, a little excited combination. What about you?
I think we got it. I think it's going to double take.
I don't even know what I'm still home with it.
Can we take a pause for a second, get the shoes taken?
Bruh, I was gonna wear these and he said my feet not gonna be in it. I'm trying to say
My feet not gonna be in it.
We answered so much, I was like, don't worry about it. We put it in there.
I said the same thing. I was like, my feet not gonna
Got
be
the
in it.
cameraman today. What's up, T?
Hello, y'all. Nobody on 30 Work by nobody. Nobody's home studios.
Cat, what's good?
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
You got a glow about you right now, man.
Do I?
Yeah, you got a little glow going on. I don't know if it's because of the heat.
Yes, the sweat. I'm sweaty.
Oh, that ain't glow, that's
No,
sweat.
it's, let me see.
Or sheen.
It's a little sweat. It's a little hot. This is thick.
Let me check you out. So yeah, man, we had a little busy day today. I had to get cleaned up, as you can see. But we're trying to do this photo shoot. But we gotta clean the Airbnb too, right? You see how you do me? We supposed to be a team. I'm here. I didn't say you gotta do the photo shoot.
Yeah.
Hey, little girl. So anyway, luckily we got one of the cleaners to come up here to the photo shoot. So she's gonna meet me here, and then I'm gonna give her some of the supplies and linens and shit like that, so she can take care of that cleaning, and then I can stay here, continue vlogging, and get y'all some content out today. Today is a big day for us. So y'all stay tuned in and check your boy drip. Check your drip. This little pink thing here? Okay then, okay. Let me check your forehead out. Let me zoom in on that joint.
Bro, you ain't gotta zoom in. Not too much of the
What's
list.
that green stuff?
This is setting spray that I use on you.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Besides the other one that I use on you. This one I have. Yeah. And this is the liquid blush I use on you. First the lipsticks I make it. And then eyeshadow. And that blush palette too.
Damn. And don't you sell brushes?
Yep. So that's a couple of them right here. But all of these I sell. And then I got a pink set too. And that's the pink set.
Not you getting your director on.
In my director bag. I don't know. It's giving. It's giving.
like maintenance waking up. It's like it's a lot of work. Then when you gotta give them their respect, like hey, like when you be like, man, you look beautiful. It took work. It took work. Like, it's a whole regimen.
It's really, I feel like it's.
I do begin to know it when she don't enjoy the video to my level.
I know y'all do. Maurice does too. And if I'm not, rolling around in the bed laughing, he's like, "You think that's funny?"
Yeah.
Yep.
It was funny.
It's like,
I'm like, yeah.
it's touched up.
Yeah, I'm cracking up on the inside.
I might have to call her. What? Did you get that I sent you? Yeah, I got it. I already seen it. That'd be the worst.
No reply back. Look, and you on the other end, like, she must not have got it.
Yeah, it went over her head. Like,
She must not have got it.
it went over her head.
And I'm like, yeah, seen it a year ago.
It kind of cut a little deep. It hurt. So it's this show I watched that I've been binge watching called Suits.
Suits is great.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Listen, when Suits went off, I was very disappointed.
Thank you.
So now I'm going to use the Powder Glow Illuminator. This is the shade Diamond Dust. And I'm just going to be applying this to the apples of her cheekbones. So we have concluded her full face of makeup. We use the Paw Print eyeshadow palette on the lid. We have the matte loop.
It's his fault. He shouldn't say nothing.
I'm sorry.
Nah, you right.
Oh,
Nah, you right. Got you.
I just got one last. Oh yeah. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Look at me. Okay, follow me.
Please don't. Listen. Hey, girl. Behind the scenes. Looking good. Close the eyes and see. Yeah.
What about the experience just doing this type of work versus just doing makeup? This is actually an infomercial. And
I mean, I've done stuff like, what do you mean the experience?
like you was actually in director mode today. Like,
well, I just kind of have a vision of how I wanted it to be. I didn't want it to be like too stiff, like too like, oh, tutorial, blah, blah, blah. I just kind of wanted to be more relaxed, more chill, and just really have like my vibe.
I think you did that. Knocked it out of the park.
Yeah, and Kimmi was great. Like she was such a joy to have on set.
I can tell y'all have like outside of just the work, it's like a real like genuine relationship. Yeah. It comes off like natural, and I think that made it a lot easier too.
What I was most concerned about is like, well, what if it's taking too long for me to do this?
Right.
Like I didn't want everybody to be here all day for me finishing the face and like all that. I just really wanted it to be smooth, kind of close to the time that I do an actual full face. But it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. It didn't take that long. And everything, the look turned out fire. Like I was doing it and I was like, man, this shit get it. Like because I had no idea what look I was looking, y'all. I was stressing myself out like, well, what look should I do? I don't even know what look. And I'm like, just let the palette, just let the paw print walk. And the walk.
The paw print eyeshadow palette can be found scratched by a cat. Let me move this out the way.
When I was getting this done, like the details, I was like, yeah, I need my nails to be cheetah print. Did I really need them to be? No, but I was like, I want everything that you said. The fingertip.
The paw print. You did it, man. One of the many accomplishments.